If your website looks like everyone else's, that's the problem. Because when everything feels the same, nothing stands out. And when nothing stands out, people don't remember you. Here's why most websites feel generic, and how to fix it. The first reason is borrowed language. A lot of websites say the same things. Helping you grow, elevating your brand. It sounds good, but it doesn't say anything specific. And when something isn't specific, it gets ignored. The second reason is predictable structure. Most websites follow the exact same layout, same sections, same order, same flow. So even if your work is different, the experience feels identical, and people respond to the experience first. The third, and most important, is lack of emphasis. Everything is presented at the same level, same size, same weight, same importance. So nothing stands out, and if nothing stands out, nothing sticks. Here's the shift. A strong website makes decisions. It chooses what to highlight, what to simplify, what to remove. That's what creates distinction. And distinction is what makes a brand feel premium. This is exactly why structure matters more than most people think, because people don't compare details. They compare how something feels. And that feeling is what determines whether they stay or move on. This is also why starting from the right foundation changes everything. A well-designed template already includes that structure, that hierarchy, that sense of focus. You're not trying to stand out from nothing. You're refining something that already works. That's exactly how our luxury show-it website templates are designed. They're built to feel intentional, clear, and distinct from the start. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so everything feels aligned from the beginning. If your website feels generic, it's not your work. It's how it's being presented. And once that changes, everything changes.